Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 0x80070005 access denied error in your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code in your system, then here are the fixes. The first one is open Windows settings and here choose Windows Update from the left side and click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and here type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt windows execute these three DISM tool as shown on a screen. Execute all these three commands one by one. The first one is DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will take some times, and once successfully execution of follow on screen instruction to complete the process, and once successfully execution of sfc scan now command, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open control panel in your system, and in control panel choose Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Here from the left side of menu choose turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. So as a one-time measure, disable Windows Defender Firewall, and once your work is completed, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall again. So if you have installed any third-party antivirus, then temporarily disable it and check whether error is resolved or not. Thereafter, on the same Windows, go to Programs and Features, and here look for any programs and features having issues. Simply select it, and any conflicting find, simply uninstall it. The next one is again right click on Start button and choose Settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to System Settings. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and choose Troubleshoot. Here choose Other Troubleshooters, and here choose Windows Update Troubleshooters. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. It may be a possibility of Windows Update related issues, failed Windows Update. So Windows Update, run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows search and here type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Here select the drive which you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. Click on OK. Disk cleanup is running, and here make the check against all these temporary files item, temporary files, temporary downloaded files, and some other delivery optimization files, recycle bin. Make the check against all these items, and finally click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these items? Choose delete items. Once disk cleanup is finished, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search and here type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on a screen. execute the command. This Windows update components. To stop these 4 services, execute all these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time to stop these 4 services, and thereafter execute some other Windows update components. Basically, it's a Windows update related issue, it may be, so execute Windows update components and thereafter execute these 4 commands to start all those 4 services which you have earlier stopped them. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply execute one by one followed by enter key on each time. After that, don't forget to restart your system, and after restart, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, one more fixes is run the program as an administrator mode. If you are facing such type of issue after launching any app, then open the particular app as administrator mode. Simply go to Windows search, type the app name and choose run as administrator.